Hello everyone. In this video you are going to learn how to create a parameter to show last 10 days sales from the selected date in Tableau. So for example, from this parameter, if I select the date December 20, then you will get the sales from December 11th to the date which you have chosen. So there is no records for December 11th, so you will get these 10 records in your view. So let me delete or remove everything, and I will delete this calculated field. Let me show you from the scratch. I am going to delete this parameter. So first, if I drag order date into row shelf, let me change this to month, day and year. Okay, so first I am going to create a parameter, and I will name this parameter as choose date. So change this data type to date. Okay, in allowable values, choose this list and add values from the field order date. Okay, so click on OK and right click on this field and click on show parameter control. So from this drop down you can select the date, which is going to display the last 10 days from this selected date. So for that I am going to create a calculated field to display last 10 days, and I will name this calculated field as last 10 days sales, and write the calculation as. So first you need to subtract 10 days from the choose date minus 10. So this is, for example, if I select December 20, this is going to give the sales from December 10. Okay, so which is greater than order date. So greater than or equals to order date, and so the date should be show till the chosen date. So I'm going to write the calculation as order date is less than chosen date. Okay, and drag this calculated field into filter shelf and select true, then click on OK, and from this parameter control, if I select the sales from December 30, 2021, then it's going to show the sales from December 20. So let me select this. So you can see the sales from December 20 to December 29. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.